So here I am. I'm watching the Natural Hair Watch Party, of course, one of my favorite live streams to watch. And I am thinking about what I'm going to do because I woke up early on State Board Day to pack my bag, clean my room because I hate coming home to a super dirty room. So I am packing my pillow that I have for my ear. I am organizing some papers, throwing things in the dirty laundry pile. And jam to some music. I've got my little surgical masks here that I'm making sure I take to State Board with me. I've got my bags. I've got my bag for my clothes and my bag that has my kit and everything in it. I also have this trash bag which I'm using to store some winter clothes and shoes. So I'm putting my boots in there, getting everything in that corner organized. I've got some laundry that I'm hanging up and putting in the closet. So here is my stuff all gathered together. I have my bag of clothes ready to go down to the basement. I have my purse, my packet, my papers, and my lunch ready to go. And I just gotta put my shoes on. And there we go. So, for those of you who don't know, I was in hair school, to get my natural hair care license to be a natural hair care specialist. So here I am in the hotel. We are relaxing, and it was a really nice room. So I was just capturing that. And we actually went to get pizza at a grocery store, and there are the crumbs all over me. And they have these amazing cookies. The store is called Wegmans. So it's called Wegmans. This is my view on the way back. So State Board it was a lot. I'll just say that. So I remembered everything. I was very intentional about not forgetting anything, unlike I was when I did my theory exam, but that's another conversation. So I was very prepared. I had my packet that was, like mock State Board. It tells you exactly what you need to do and exactly what you're going to hear on the exam. So like, you will prepare the client for services, you will clean your area, you will follow the disinfection and all of that jazz, and the instructions will be repeated, something like that. So yeah, it's like that, but for 2 hours. And the ladies that were in charge of the whole thing at Raleigh, they were very severe, especially the lady who we saw in the room. So there was a lady who was outside the door who was like, do not bring your cell phone in here, and like, make sure you show me your ID and your packet. And then there was a second lady who was like, show me your mannequin, put your kid on the floor and stand next to it. And then there was a third lady who was like, sign your name here and go over to the number I tell you and put your kit under the whole situation. So yeah, it was very stressful. And there were mirrors, so it was hard not to ignore the other people in the room. You're not supposed to look at them, but it was hard to ignore them when there's mirrors and they're doing things differently than you. I would just say, advice to anyone who is going to State Board, just practice. Do a mock State Board thing. Make sure that you're practicing doing things in time and remembering what to do, because you can be looking at someone and saying that they're doing something different. Just be sure that you are confident in what you're doing. You know what you're doing, you know what you're supposed to do, what you're not supposed to do, if something happens during the exam, stay calm and, put your sanitizer on and keep it moving. Because, there's no time to stress out. You just gotta keep moving. So yeah, that was my practical exam experience.